Ford Ranger sponsor us.
Well, I don't have money. We may have, perhaps accidentally, forgot to film fixing the exhaust leak. But it is fixed.
Yeah, no, it sounds like tits.
It's like it's actually nice.
Yeah, but we forgot to film it, so. But
it's okay. It was really just us sitting there and screaming and putting nuts on. So.
Yeah, it wasn't that interesting.
We'll get the brake blading though.
Yeah, we'll record that.
I'm not in focus. Oh yeah.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey. My beard looks very yellow.
That might be because of the white balance setting.
Fair. I gotta comb mine. It's all.
That's fair. No, RJ taught me how to adjust the white balance, but I forgot. Sorry.
Just put more white people in there.
Troy.
It's just the white balance.
Yeah.
We did good.
Yeah, we're all pretty white.
We're pretty. I think we're.
We're back at the track. It's just me this week, unfortunately, but Justin and Harrison fixed the exhaust and the hydro is not leaking anymore, so I should be able to rip that. We'll see how it goes.